Drum rolls. Hi everyone, my name is Sue and I'm excited to be back to this channel. Earlier on, I started this channel at around 3 years ago, but I felt like, girl, I really need to work some few things here and there, the skills. There are a few skills that I wanted to acquire before moving on with my content creation. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you or telling you how I started my content creation journey. So stay tuned. So step one, I had the passion, but I didn't have the tools to actually help me when it comes to content creation. So the second thing, I had the diary, just letting the kind of content or the type of videos I really wanted to create. And in the course of the journey, I used to watch people who actually have the same niche or the same niche that I wanted to create video on. So that was me. The second step, this is where I promised myself to actually acquire various skills that will help me to fuel my content creation journey. So number one, I had to acquire video editing classes, whereby they have taken me some few months for me to be able to get it right and to be able to master all small things. I have used to like CapCut and also Premiere Pro. So the second one is learning about graphic design by using Canva. Oh my god, this is one of an amazing tool that every content creator should also be able to run. The other thing is a web developer or a web design. A web design, it's I feel like having a website connecting to your channel, it will also bring more value to what you actually creating. The third thing is learning to be a social media manager. That is mind blowing, and I've done it for few people or different people, and it's a tip on my channel. The other thing is makeup artist. Look at me. I've done, if there's a skill that I feel like I've acquired with a lot of love, it's makeup artist. I'm a girl and I really need to look good when I'm actually creating content for you guys. Here's the third step, whereby it was so crucial. This is where finance came in. So I acquired a few gadgets. Probably they are good to go, they're basic, and this is what I felt I really wanted to have for me to get going. So I'll start with this one. Yeah. What is it? Oh my goodness. This one. This is laptop. My first laptop. Hey guys, we're going to be unboxing together. So yay! It really costed me. This is a receipt. So it is a HP. Yay. This is what I want. And guys, let me tell you, don't only acquire a laptop. If you actually in this journey whereby you are doing content creation, you're doing graphic, you're using these like tools like Premiere Pro, there are some of the laptop cannot be able to hold because of their capacity. So for me, I went for 8 GB RAM, and there are other specifications that I'm going to be talking about later. So I've actually acquired this one. It's a brand new, and I'm grateful. Content creation now has kicked in. So that's one thing I acquired. The second thing I acquired, these guys, this is my, because I'm actually not that loud person, so I had to acquire this, and of course this. I think they come in two. So this is what also I acquired. Guys, this one is different. This one I actually work sometimes remotely, and sometimes it's a requirement for those people who work remotely. They know what I mean. So this is the headphones. They are noise cancelling, whereby nikiziweka siwezi sikia sauti ya huko nje, so Actually, I acquired them because I actually do remote work. Another thing that I've actually acquired is this a home fiber, which will help me in so many ways, being a content creator, being a remote worker, and all that. And finally, it's about ring light. Ooh, this is one of amazing. I actually got my ring light on a page on Instagram. I can't remember, but I have it. So, and finally, I have a good camera. I have a Samsung phone, so it will help me on creating. So, guys, finally, I have few things that I think it's a reflection for me when I started this journey of being a content creator. On the way, find I've encountered so many things, but one thing that I've known, you attract what you wish or what you desire. If you want to become a content creator, you actually need to look for people who are actually doing the same or who are in the field of doing content creation. Let me tell you, sometimes I have friends who actually don't like social media, and when you're in that group, they will actually always discourage you from doing such. So my advice, look for people or friends who are actually doing content creation.